Hey everybody, it's Mrs. S here, and there is an amazing website that I wanted to share with the parents and students to help get us interested and excited about math. And that is the math.com website right here. And I wanted to kind of walk through it with you guys and show you some different things that we can do. So if you look at the top of mathgames.com, you see there's different options such as grades, skills, games, standards, worksheets, arcade. These are all different things that we can do and we can apply to our math lessons. The first thing I wanted to show you guys was the standards, because I think that's very important that you're aware of what the standards are for your specific student and the grade they're in. So since we're in third grade, let me show you that. Can see here, these are all the different standards that your students, what they should be able to do by the end of the school year. And what you can do is you can pick a different worksheet from here and the students can work on it. So let's talk about multiplication. So you can see here the statewide standard by Common Core is understand division as an unknown factor problem. For example, find 32 divided by 8 by finding the number that makes 32 when multiplied by 8. So I'm going to click on this right here, and you hit start, and you'll see, okay, we have to get through the ad first, but that's not a big deal. Okay, so now the ad is gone and it's going to give us a problem. So Gavin needs a lot of bananas. He buys 2 bunches, each with 3 bananas. How many bananas does Gavin have? So for your student, they're going to have to say, okay, 2 bunches with 3 in each. Now this obviously will be something that we've already discussed in class, and this is just a way to reinforce their learning. So the students will do 2 times 3 and enter their 6. Nice work. And so they'll move on to the next one and so on and so forth. So that's going to be in the standards area. Now something that I love about this website, and it helps make it fun for our students and your kiddos, is the different games that it has for options. You can see there's number worms, sticklets, math versus monsters. We'll go ahead and click on that one. And we're going to have to wait just a minute for the ad. Sorry about that. But this is a free app that's just amazing for us to be able to have for our students and your kids. And if we got to wait a few seconds, it's okay. Okay, so in today's day, right, our students are more and more into games to help reinforce their learning, what they do on their own time. So this is just a fun interactive way to talk about what we've been learning. They're going to select their grade. And then what do we want to work on as far as the game? So we'll stay with multiplication. And you see multiply 1 times 1. Oh no, we got to do it before these guys, right? So you can just see right here, it's a really fun way for your students to practice what they're learning. Now, if your student wants to look at different skills, they can do that as well. And they have addition, algebra, comparison, counting, decimals. I mean, you can scroll down through it and see it all for yourself. But there's a lot of different things that we can do. So it's a great way when we have extra time in school, or if we're using it with a lesson, for the kids to use this. And then also at home as a way for learning as well. So I just wanted to show you quickly a little snippet of mathgames.com. I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you took something from it and you can sit down with your kiddos and look at it together. Thank you.